we're in the new crib. It might look a little different, but hey, let me give you guys a room tour. Okay, you got the TV, soundbar mount. What else I got? I got the PS4 set up. Got 2 packages for today's video. I still got bags and shit to clean up, but got shoes. I got like 2 other bags of shoes, shoe boxes, clothes, nothing special. But yeah, fucking exciting. And we got hella stuff coming for the car, so that's gonna be exciting. And let's open these boxes. These are gonna be I've been looking forward to this. I've been putting this off, but finally ordered it to the new house. You already know, your boy got the first packages to the house. Many more to come. Alright, let's see what this is. Ooh, you see that? Ooh, karambit? I think that's what you call it in CSGO. This is a cool knife, so it's kind of sharp. Smoked mirror turn signals. They're dynamic, and these were about $120 on sale. They were like $150 more or less. But exciting. Let's pop one open. This also comes with T something starbit, and a pry tool, trim remover tool, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Okay, you like that? Smoked, blacked, and this will be fun to get in. This should be like one of the easiest mods on the car. Besides, what else did I? Nah. Spoiler gave me some trouble. The double side tape. This just screws in. And then, so we got one for the right, one for the left. Alright, next up. Big package. Big expensive package. Look at that. I don't give a f. You guys can come find me. Don't care. That's me. Yikes. This one's like expensive one, you know. So if you guys can guess what that is, you know, you have to know what this is, because these two link with each other, you know. Good shipping, over. That's layers. Okay. It's got some weight to it. We don't need this box here. This I got from, what's it called? German car accessories, I believe, again. Same as the spoiler. Ooh. Lots of bubble wrap. Bubble wrap, inside of bubble wrap, inside of bubble wrap. Inside of this foam wrapping. Got 2 of them, one for the left, one for the right. And let's see here. Ooh. You see that? You see that? Carbon fiber weave. This is a, can you guys guess what it is? I don't know what it is. Nah, it's a carbon fiber mirror caps. So OEM ones coming out, you need carbon fiber ones going in. And so, let's see. This look. Look, left, right side. Chill. It'll go in like, like this. Like, yo, I think I'm kind of redundant. You know, we'll figure it out. I'm pretty sure. Oh. Okay, let's call it this one. Yeah. But we do have more expensive parts coming in. Can't remember how much the mirror caps were, but they were expensive because it's carbon fiber. But you just gotta love that weave. Love that weave. So it'll go on like this. No. You know, I'm gonna have to figure this out when I'm out there.
You stupid.
You know what? We're just gonna skip to this, going outside and installing this, you know? Alright, we're outside now, and this gone. Turn signal gone. It's not dynamic, but I'm gonna go show you what it looks like with the turn signals on this. So, because it's not dynamic, and we want dynamic, you know? So let me just go do it real quick. As you can see, not dynamic. So what we gotta do first is take the mirror cap, or take the mirror off first. Take the mirror, and then we're gonna go ahead and take the cap off, and then there's 2 screws, one over here and then I believe one over here, that we're gonna take off. And let's get started. We're gonna use this pry tool that they gave us, and there's 2 metal clips that just should be able to just pull out. Don't want to break the mirror. It's very expensive. One side out. Now we gotta take the other side out. And there's going to be 2 wires that connect. If you have heated mirrors, it's going to connect. I see 1 red on top and then 1 blue on top, bottom. So just make sure to unplug them. If you plan on unplugging them, I hear some people don't unplug them and just leave them hanging. But we're just going to take the safe route and go throw this in the back seat. I gotta get the car. All right, so I skipped the step. We were supposed to take 1, 2, and 3 screws out, and then the motor comes out, and then we just forget about that. All right, so there's 3 of them. So make sure. I think it's T10s is what they are. So 1, 2, and 3. Is that for us? I think one of those trash cans is for us. Yeah, we just remove those. Don't lose these. what I want to go over is this clip right here. If you do have the lane assist option, which is this, all it does is just light up when someone's in your blind spot. If you're merging somewhere, etc, etc, don't matter. But this, if you do have it, this does plug into it, so you're gonna have to push this pin and pull it out. And then how you're gonna get this piece off is you're just gonna pinch these two pieces right here. There's one right here and one on the inside there, and then it just pops out like that. Be careful, don't drop it. And it should just come out like that. Okay. I decided to just leave this hanging because I don't want to mess with all that and get into everything like that. So what we're gonna do is, next thing we're gonna do is take off the turn signal. And so there's two, one right here and then one right over here. And so we're gonna unscrew them, and they should just pop out easily. So that. And I'm praying that it didn't break any clips. That clip could be broken, but I can't tell because it probably is broken. It happens. I'm not really a car person like this, but you just gotta be careful. And then I think one more. No, there's just two for this one. So we're gonna place those there. And then what we're gonna do is this should just come out. So there are clips to this too, so make sure to pop those before taking this out. One at a time. It's a tight ass one. There we go. And then one plug right here. Just push it and pull. Just like that. So let's get a comparison. Here's smoked. Oh, here's smoked. And here's not smoked. So, oh, that's the difference between the two. It's just darker and it's dynamic. That's what we like. This is gonna use OEM screws. It's pretty simple. It goes back in the same way it came in. So. Bada boom. Let's try not to break anything. Okay. Boom, one. There's one clip. You want to make sure to pop the clips in too, because I just like popping the clips in. It wasn't that hard to get out. But just make sure I like making sure it's secure. Make sure to plug it back in as well. And then what we want to do is put the blind spot detector, lane assist, back in, plug it back into this, and then we go get the cap. I did, in fact, meet a neighbor. He was over there across the street talking to my other neighbors, and since we're new to the neighborhood, he saw me pulling into the driveway, and he introduced himself to me real quick. I saw him looking at my car, and he just came over, super friendly. This is a super friendly neighborhood, and yeah, he was like your car. He drives a 335i, and he invited me to a car club. It's called Deutsch Car Club, I believe, and so I guess I'm part of a car club now, and I've yet to see his car, but obviously he's a grown-up and I'm 19, and so, well, that's what happened. But this carbon fiber mirror caps and the turn signals, early birthday present to your boy, because I bought it for myself, so it goes in just goes in at an angle like that, and it should just pop into place with the clips. I see a click maybe? No? Yep, there's a click. Look at that fitment, pristine. Make sure it's sturdy, make sure it's in there, and it just goes back in with how it came out. Boom, click. And so there's this one tab right here that you gotta make sure to get through the hole, because I hear that a lot of people end up breaking that tab, and you don't want that happening. So notice, I guess, just pop that out. Don't throw it in yet until you're set with it. And so, yes, learn my lesson for next time. But we're ready to pop this one back in, so we're straight. Motor for the, okay, this is the tricky part. This is where you don't want to drop any of them. Okay, so we got 1, 2, and 3. This is for the outer trim of the mirror. So, okay. Now we got the mirror to put on. And then we're done with one side. Red on top, I believe. Well, I will know if it's...
Because I'm going to be editing this video, so red on top. Let me do it first. Red on top, blue on the bottom, red on top. Okay. And then there's like just these 2 long pins that you go into these metal pieces, and then just everything's lined up easily for you. You don't want to push too hard now, don't break the mirror.
Click. So you know it's the first car I worked on doing this stuff. But yeah, we're done. And it's my neighbor, new neighbors. So that's what it looks like. Carbon fiber. Sheesh. The fitment's pretty good too. Body, good body line. And then let's flip this around. Blind spot detector. Fits in with it, and then yeah, pretty good. And so I'm just gonna put you over here to see the difference. It's super dark right now, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I'll put you closer. Tested this before I put everything back together, but oh man, yeah, look, you guys can't even see the one on the right blinking. It's the one that I haven't done yet. But yeah, get a close-up of this. Here's the close-up of it, and I'm satisfied, super satisfied. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead, turn it off.
Here we go. What?
I am watching this man. I am literally gonna include this in the YouTube video tomorrow. This is gonna be the commercial break. I'm not even gonna name it. I'm gonna name it "My Black Mechanics Beat the living shit out of a pedestrian with the bullshit."
This guy, bro.
He's burning.
And that, guys, is the finished product. We got boom. Okay. And boom on this side. I think it looks good. Let me go inside the car and turn the hazards on. Turn the hazards on. Boom. Hopefully this side works, because look at that. much more visible during the day. And guys, that is the end of the video. If you guys liked this video, hit that thumbs up. You know, I didn't have my black mechanic today, but you know, it's all right. We did good without him. But you know, something upcoming, he's gonna tag along for the ride, and it's gonna be rough. So hit that subscribe. Yes, sir.